Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I want to make a really quick apology to you for the lack of content recently. I've been really busy with day-to-day life stuff, so I thought it'd be appropriate to jump on here and make a quick video explaining all of my Photon settings and the best way for you to snipe meme coins. So let's get right into it. However, if you are new here, feel free to hit like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be great to have you on board. We're going to keep on pushing up the subscribers. We're going to start doing a bit more content. Apologies again for the lack of content recently. Okay, so let's talk about it, the key Photon settings. So, first of all, I normally snipe new pairs, okay? New pairs is normally the bit that I look at, and essentially if you have it just set to the standard settings, so no socials, and you have 0 snipers and 0 market cap and 0 taxons, what you tend to get is loads of coins being created, okay? Now this can give you a great opportunity to get into a coin extremely early because it'll pull through any coin that's created on pump.fun at any given time. And I find this is good for being able to spot good coins. You need to be able to have a knack for it though, because 99% of these coins are rug pulls. You know, these coins will probably sit at 5k, maybe they'll go up to 10k and then they'll get rugged. But essentially you want to be on the lookout for coins that have good potential, and you need to narrow down this search in order to do so. So what I like to do is have good filters here. Alright, so first of all, we want coins that have a social, but we want them to have a website, a Telegram or a Twitter, because that proves that somebody's put a little bit more effort into it rather than just uploading a photo onto the internet. So we also want to increase the holder count, so I like to have a minimum of 5 holders involved in the coin. I also like to have a minimum of 1 sniper, because I don't buy any coins that have been sniped. I like to have volume minimum 3000 because that pulls through a little bit less of the crap, minimum 5 taxons, and this way you get a much more refined list here. Coins that actually are getting buys, coins that actually have potential, and these are the ones you want to look at. So you can see Koga automated, so this is obviously an automated token, ChatGPT 4. You can see these are coins that might have a little bit more work into them, and these are the ones you want to look at. So that would be my first thing to advise. Narrow down this list, make sure that you're getting the coins that are getting the volume, they're getting the taxons, they're getting the market cap, so you can actually get a better visual of that new pair section. Okay, middle bit, because I normally look only at this bit here, I like to have this setting set to coins which will essentially have a decent market cap, that have a bit of structure, and I've basically got it set so I look at the time more than anything, right? So for example, there might be 1 or 2 coins here that I missed because I have a social setting on, and they might be good coins that Cabals might be pushing or whatever, so I might miss out on them in this section, and I can spot them here, worst case scenario, and get into them late. So for example, I'd be looking at a coin that is, you know, just got 19 minutes, so this one here, 19 minutes is how long it's been live for. That probably should be something I bought, because, you know, the coins ran from literally being a new pair to graduating within 19 minutes, so that speaks volume about what that coin potential could be. So I would check out that and see a little bit about this. So you can see first Doge mascot, somebody tried to make a mascot 11 years ago. That's probably a coin I should have bought because it might run, it's got a bit of attention now. You know, Doge obviously went up in price and a lot of people started buying the Doge mascot. So like this here is a section that I'll be looking at for coins that I've missed in this section and ask myself, are they going to run on Radium? Should I buy them here just now? So that is the section here that I look out for buying coins later. Graduated. Now I have this set to 100,000 market cap, and the reason I have it set to 100k is because I'm only looking for coins that are actually running. So if I'm looking at this section and I just see 1 coin pop up here above 100k market cap and it's been out for over 3 or 4 minutes, that speaks volume about that coin actually having a bit of potential, and I'll take a look at it, look into it deeper, see do they have decks paid, what's the coin about, and then I'll assess if I think it's got legs on Radium as well, and I'll maybe take a buy here. So yeah, that's the settings I've got. I'll always have a quick buy setting of 0.5 because I like to scale into my purchases. You know, if a coin's really good in this section, it'll almost automatically bond within 5 or 10 minutes. So I like to be able to buy 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and that way, you know, scale it up if the coin's good as it grows, and then you've got a decent bag for radium. And if the coin is really good, it'll do well in this section, it'll do well in radium. So then having 2 or 3 sol across, you know, 20k market cap average, if the coin opens up here at 200k, that's a 10x. So that's the situation with Photon settings. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. I wanted to give you a quick rundown into this. Hopefully you can apply some of these settings yourself. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.